that mail came up, who was the sender, and is it kind of a spoofed one or not. So those all things you need to kind of know what all these terms means, and what all this trace header, the email header, email body, and the message header means over here. Okay, so I hope this was a quick discussion about the email header analysis at a high level. Do you guys have any questions on this part? So I take that silence as no question. I hope we have already addressed multiple questions before regarding like proof point and other details. So I hope I was able to kind of explain you guys this thing in a little bit more easier term and at a high level with a demo of like, okay, how the things look like for the real email header analysis and what tools you can use to kind of do that analysis. And if that tools are not available, or let's say that email is quite confidential, in that case, how you can do the analysis in a manual way. Okay. So I hope this email header analysis was interesting to you guys. And there are a few other topics that I had actually figured out in the agenda. And in the agenda, the topics were, let me just quickly go to that. Yeah, the topics were writing a sniffer tool. That is something again will be very much interesting, because this is something which will open multiple mode of opportunity for you. So I'll be sharing the codes with you first before diving into the lab, evaluate. So I've evaluated my lab, like how I deliver the lab. I've evaluated a bit more. So now what I will do is that before deep diving into the Python code, I will first share you the script that you can kind of follow along with me in the lab environment. And so what I will do is that we'll do certain Python coding on sniffer tool, on the ICMP tunneling attack, how the ICMP tunneling can happen, and how you can write a injector code, as well as how you can write a sniffer code. And this will be really useful to kind of do a lot of other things. So you can utilize this code to kind of, let's say, to add more functionality, or let's say understand how the attacker is doing certain attacks. So once you are more comfortable in this code, you will be able to understand more about the attacker capabilities. Okay. So because now we have run out of time for today, tomorrow I will start with the discussion of these tools directly. Okay. Rather than kind of complementing on other parts. Okay. So is there any other questions, guys?
For the lab setup, you were asking about the Windows 7. So do we need any specific edition, like if there is no edition, is there professional ultimate? So which one will be better?
So yeah, so thing is that for Windows, actually, any kind of version is fine. Windows 7, Windows XP, like maybe figure out like let's something Windows 7 or 10, because we will install some tool like let's say FTK Imager, and we'll do some event log analysis. I will be sharing you the image file. I will be sharing you the event logs, and you need to kind of do an investigation on those parts. Okay, so those are the things kind of I'll be looking at. You can kind of pick any one of them. It's all fine. What I have seen is that the FTP images and the event analysis will work on all of them. So it's better maybe Windows 7, because thing is that there are certain artifacts in Windows 10 which is thing is, let's say the prefetch file it's little bit encrypted, or let's say the hyperfile.sys is kind of encrypted in Windows 10. So it's better to kind of look that thing in a different form in Windows 7. So in Windows 7, it's much better, or else you can kind of follow up on the lab in the Windows 10 itself. Nothing an issue. Okay. So I hope this answers your questions. Thanks. Okay, so we'll look at the sniffer tool, and what we will also do is we'll look at quickly at the SMB protocol, how the SMB is used in like a lot of scenarios to do lateral movement. So we'll look at that. So okay. So today, guys, I hope this was interesting. The mix of both theory and lab. If you have any concern, you can quickly let me know, or else we'll wind up for today. Okay. See you guys. See you then. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yes.
Thank you, sir.